Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to 11th standard. You are being introduced to the subject of chemistry for the very first time. You have already been studied some of the concepts of chemistry from 5th standard onwards. Chemistry is the central science that covers many aspects of our everyday life. It is the study of substances, their properties, structures, and transformations. The world is full of chemical substances, and we need chemicals for many useful purposes. So now we are going to see content of our textbook. This is your textbook, how it look like. And then there are 16 different chapters assigned in this textbook. We will see one by one with their marks allotted. These are the chapters which are present in your 11th standard textbook. You can see their marks. Then we will see one by one what are these topics. And first one is some basic concepts of chemistry. In this particular topic, it has got 5 marks. In this particular topic, we are going to see the introduction to chemistry, then what are the branches of chemistry, what is nature of chemistry, then scope of chemistry, basic concepts in life, matter, compound, elements, atoms, molecules, etc. We will see physical and chemical properties, laws of chemical combination. So all these are the contents of basic concepts of chemistry. It carries 5 marks. Then second chapter is introduction to analytical chemistry. Now analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of separation, identification, qualitative and quantitative determination of the composition of different substances. So all the substances, their qualitative analysis is to be studied in the analytical chemistry. Then third one is some analytical techniques. Here we are going to look into the basic analytical techniques like purification, separation methods, and purification of solids and liquids. So this kind of techniques are to be studied in the third topic, which is some analytical techniques. Then fourth one is an important one, and it is structure of atom. We are going to discuss about the structure of atom. Then we will see the discovery of atom, in which we are going to study discovery of protons, neutrons, and electrons. You must have studied different models like Rutherford model, Thomson's model, Bohr's model. So we are going to discuss in detail in this particular topic. It carries 7 marks, so larger one. Then fifth one is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is also a large topic. It carries 8 marks. In this particular topic, we will discuss the types of bond like covalent bond and ionic bond. Then we will see how these bonds are formed. One more important concept to be studied here is hybridization. Then we will see different theories like valence bond theory or molecular orbital theories. So larger topic is this, and it carries 8 marks. Sixth one is redox reaction. It carries 4 marks, and you must have heard about the reaction which is oxidation and reduction. So redox is the combination of oxidation and reduction. We will see how to balance redox reaction, what are their applications, etc. Seventh one is modern periodic table, carries 6 marks. In this particular topic, we are going to see how the modern periodic table was established. You must have studied the discovery of periodic table, but in this particular topic, we will see the modern table based on modern periodic law. It carries 6 marks. There are some periodic properties and their trend to be studied in this particular topic. Then eighth one is element of group 1 and 2. After the periodic table, we will see only group 1 and 2 elements called S block elements. How are they formed in nature? How are they occurrence? What are their occurrences in nature? Then we will see the compounds of S block elements, their preparation and properties. It carries 6 marks. Next one is ninth one, and it is 13, 14th and 15 group elements. It carries 8 marks. So these are the P block elements. We will see group 13, 14th and 15th element, their compounds, their preparation and their properties. 10th one is states of matter. In this particular topic, we will see basic 3 states of matter, out of which liquid and gaseous state to be studied in this year. Solid state you will study in 12th. So what are the liquid state properties and gaseous state properties, what are the differences in these two states are to be studied in this topic. It carries 6 marks. 11th one is adsorption and collide. Adsorption is a specific phenomenon to be studied, its types, its factors affecting on adsorption, and applications of adsorption. Colloidal solutions, their types, they are to be studied in this particular topic. It carries 4 marks only. Then 12th one is chemical equilibrium. It is the condition for a reversible reaction. We will see chemical equilibrium in detail. Then what is equilibrium constant, what is law of mass action in this particular topic. It carries 8 marks. Then 13th one is nuclear chemistry and radioactivity. Nuclear chemistry is the branch of physical chemistry actually, and it involves the changes in atomic nuclei. So we will see in detail what is radioactivity. It carries 4 marks. Then 14th one is basic principles of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is nothing but the chemistry of carbon compounds. So we will see what are carbon compounds, what is their what are the principles of organic chemistry, what are their functions and importance in this particular topic, which is also one of the important topics of 11th science. Then it carries 8 marks. 15th one is hydrocarbon. It has got highest marks. I think it has 11 marks because it is the largest topic of 11th chemistry. Hydrocarbons are the compounds having only hydrogens and carbons. So basically there are 3 main functional groups: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, which are included in the same topic. Earlier there were 3, now it is only 1, therefore it carries 11 marks, and you have to study preparation, properties and uses of each of them. So that is the important one. 16th one is chemistry in everyday life. So how we come across to the chemistry in our everyday life is to be studied here. So we will consider food chemistry, medicinal chemistry or chemistry of cleansing material particularly in this topic. So that's all about the chapters which are allotted to 11th science chemistry. Now we will see the marks distribution. So as we have discussed earlier, there will be 70 marks for your theory paper and 30 marks for the practical. So 30 marks practical will be discussed later, but now I am going to discuss about the 70 marks of your theory paper. So there will be 4 sections. Section A possess only 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2, out of which question number 1 carry 10 marks. It is MCQ question, so there will be 10 MCQs, each one carrying 1 mark. There will be no option, so you have to answer each and every one so that you will get 10 marks. All are compulsory questions. Then question number 2 from section A is of very short answer type questions. 8 questions, 8 marks, so you have to answer them in 1 line or in 1 word. You are not supposed to write the explanation, or you are not supposed to solve the problem. You have to write in only 1 word, 1 digit or 1 sentence. That's it. So these are the 2 questions from section A. Section A is of 18 marks. All the questions are compulsory questions. Then we will move to a section B. Section B carries 12 questions, out of which 8 to be attempted. It carries from question number 3 to question number 14. Short answer type questions are there, and each question carry 2 marks. So if you attempt 8, you'll get 16 marks. So this is 16 marks section, and there will be 2 marks questions. So you can consider definitions, 2 definitions, 2 laws, each one for 1 mark. Then short numericals, then short derivations, give reasons, match pairs. Such type of questions may be included in the section B. Each write the IUPAC names, but one name to be given for 1 mark. So there will be 2 names. So short questions or short answers to be written in the section B. Next section is section C. It also possesses 12 questions, out of which 8 are to be attempted. It carries 24 marks because each question carries 3 marks. It is also short answer type 2 question. Then it will also include reactions, preparation methods, chemical properties, then derivations, explanations, IUPAC nomenclature, preparation methods, numerical problems. Any of them can be asked for 3 marks. You have to attempt only 8. So there are a lot of options. Out of 12, attempt any 8. It carries 24 marks, 3 for each question. Next question is section D. It carries 5 questions, out of which 3 are to be attempted. Then each one carries 4 marks. So there are long answer type questions, and each question carrying 4 marks. Therefore type of questions may be long derivations, long numericals, then descriptive type questions, long answers, etc. So that is section D. I have summarized here all the sections in a tabular form, so you can have a look at this table to get the idea about your question paper. So section A carries only two questions, question 1 and question 2, but there is no option for this section. All the questions to be attempted. First one is of MCQs, 10 marks, 1 mark each. Second one is for very short answer, one liners or one words. It carries 8 marks, 1 mark each. Section B is from 3rd to 14th. It is short answer type question, 2 marks for each question. You have to attempt 8 out of 12, so you'll get 16 marks. Section C is from question number 15 to 26. This is also short answer type but of 3 marks, so 8 out of 12, so you'll get 24 marks. Then section D is of 5 questions from 27 to 31. They are long answer type questions, so each question carries 4 marks, and out of 5 you have to attempt 3. So in this format we have written we have summarized the actual mark distribution for your 70 marks question. So that's all about the syllabus introduction and the mark distribution for 11th standard. I hope you all have gone through the textbook. If no, then buy the textbook or go through the PDF textbook and have a look at all your theory topics. We next time we will start with the first topic, which is some basic concepts of chemistry. So we will conduct a lecture online, so I hope you all will be present at the time of lecture so that you will get the detailed information. So that's all for now. Thank you.